Hello and welcome to part 3, especially if you've already watched part 1 and part 2. This one is dedicated to showing you HDSQ's parameter checker, which is another way of looking for parameters which can then go into the community spreadsheet or any other use you might find for them. Now all the scripts for FL Studio live in this place here under the scripting forum working script list. And down the bottom is a miscellaneous section, and the one you're after is called plugin parameter checker. Let's click on that. That takes you to this specific post about the parameter checker, and you're able to ask questions there and have them answered. And if you follow this usage at this link, this will take you to GitHub, where Miquel keeps all the source code. So you can download it from here, or you can download it from the previous post, I think. This also tells you about the installation, integrating it with your own device should you want to, and how to use it. Now if we go to FL Studio, I already have it set up. This is what it looks like when it's set up. If we load in a plugin, and let's replace the default one with these applied acoustics ones. Are really nice plugins. They come free with your FL keyboard, and they're all good, but they lend them. This particular one lends itself to an alternative way of mapping. So whereas we try to stick with the Xenology route, which is filter cutoff, resonance, attack, release, FX1, FX2 modulation, and relative level. When you come across a plugin like this, actually this isn't the one I'm thinking of, not Ultra Analog Session, because I think that one probably does lend itself to Xenology. The one I'm thinking of, Lounge Lizard Session 4, I think. Let's have a look. Yeah, this is what I was thinking of. So fairly simple but very effective UI, and it might be that you want to just take these knobs along the bottom and have those as the knobs across your keyboard. So how can you do that? Well, using this utility, if you follow the instructions, you need to copy plugin param check here, put it in the command to execute section. Now we've loaded it on channel 0, the first one, so let's put 0 in the box, close that bracket, hit enter, and we're ready to go. So when we change any of these, it's going to give us the parameter number. So 0 for the noise amount, and over here 6 for tremolo 1, 5 for tremolo depth, 4 for tremolo rate, character of the electric piano 22, symmetry 3, guessing that's going to be 2, fork, and I'm guessing that's going to be 1. So it wouldn't have been too difficult to work these out, but it's a nice way of getting at the parameters. If we reload that script, we're ready to go again with a different plugin. Anyway, I hope that was some value. I kind of apologise to Miquel because I know it's not the most professional video here, but I think it's better than nothing. Hopefully something better will come along and replace some of my dodgy videos in the fullness of time. But it's something to be going on with, and it gives you another option for coming up with the plugin parameters for the community spreadsheet. Got there in the end. Anyway, thanks very much for your time. We'll call it a day there.